In this video, you will learn how to make a travel map animation in CapCut PC. First, I added a map to the timeline. Next, I'll add text and put some hyphen there, and end it with a greater than sign. I'll change the font to steady, but feel free to use another one. I will change the color to red. Now I'm scrolling a little lower until I find stroke. I'll check it and set it to 10 so the line is more visible. Okay, let's say I want to go from Slovakia to the United Kingdom. I turn the arrow in approximately the direction I'm going. Now scroll down and check curve. I'll play around with the strength a bit to make the line rounder the way I imagine it, and I'll also make it smaller a bit to make it fit. When I'm done with the settings, I'll align the text with the map on the timeline. Click on the text and press Alt+G to create a compound clip. Go to Video, then to Mask, press Add Mask and select Split Screen. Rotate the mask to 90 degrees, then move it so that it covers the entire arrow. Add Mask Settings Keyframe. Press Shift plus right arrow 3 times in a row. Pull the mask so that it reveals your entire arrow. Click on the clip and press Alt+K. Right-click on the inclined line and select Preset Curves. Select Quad Ease and close the options. Now I'll add this map pointer. In the video description, I'll leave you a link to this page where you can download 5 free PNG images every day. So download it, don't forget to remove the background, and add it to the timeline. Reduce it a little and place it in the starting location. Go to Animation and select Zoom 1 and set it to 3 seconds. You can also select anything else. Move the pointer and arrow a little and set it so that the arrow starts to appear exactly when the pointer appears. Set to the end of the arrow animation. Hold Alt and drag the map pointer 1 line up to create a copy. Move the map pointer to the other side of the arrow. On the timeline, set the map pointer to appear when the line reaches its end location. Align all animation elements so that they end at the same moment. Select everything and press Alt+G. Go to the beginning and add a transform keyframe. Move past the end of the animation and change the scale to 110 and center the video. This will create a small zoom effect and make it look a little better. Press Ctrl+B to split the clip and delete the rest of the clip. If you found this video helpful, you can support the channel by becoming a member or simply leaving a like and a comment. It really helps a lot. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.